It's strange how even New York can feel lonely, and somehow that makes it peaceful. Welcome to Sleepless Traveller, where we drift through quiet cities and tender nights. Tonight, we wander beneath the midnight rain of New York City, a place that never truly sleeps, yet sometimes, just for a heartbeat, it sighs. If you're listening now, maybe the day still lingers in your thoughts. That's all right. There's nothing you need to finish, nowhere you need to be. The world outside can wait. Take a deep breath in, hold it gently, and breathe out, slow and soft. One more time, in and out. Feel how the air moves through you, cool and steady, as if the city's own rhythm has joined your breath. If your mind still feels busy, don't try to quiet it. Let those thoughts walk beside you for a while, like footsteps on a wet sidewalk. They'll fade on their own until only the hush of rain remains. Now close your eyes. Imagine the faint glow of streetlights beyond a curtain of drizzle, each droplet catching a glimmer before it falls. Somewhere far below, tires whisper on the soaked asphalt. A taxi horn hums and disappears. The scent of rain and old brick mingles with coffee from a late-night cafe around the corner. Everything is soft, silver, alive, and unhurried. In this moment, you and the city breathe together. The noise, the rush, the endless motion, all of it slows, as if New York herself has decided to rest. Let's begin our midnight walk now, through the quiet streets and gentle reflections of rain. Each step will carry us deeper into calm, until the world outside your window feels as distant as a fading dream. You stand by the window of a high-rise apartment, 20 floors above the city that hums beneath you. Outside, the night glows, not dark, not bright, just a silver hush of mist and rain. Tiny rivers trace the glass, catching faint reflections of yellow taxis far below. Their lights slide and shimmer like falling stars, then vanish around corners into pools of shadow. You can almost hear the city breathing, a slow, distant rhythm of rain, of subway trains sighing beneath the streets, of a million dreams unfolding quietly behind closed curtain. Take another calm breath in and out. Notice how the cool air touches your skin. There's a scent of wet metal, asphalt, and a whisper of something sweet, maybe pastries from the bakery 2 blocks away. It mingles with the soft ozone of rain. From up here, everything feels smaller, gentler. The flashing billboards lose their sharpness, their colors turning muted and kind. Neon melts into fog. The city that once roared now only murmurs. A single yellow cab crosses the avenue below, its headlights carving a pale path through the drizzle. You follow it with your eyes until it fades at the next light. Gone, like a thought that no longer needs attention. Somewhere in the distance, a clock tower tolls midnight. Each chime is slow, a note suspended in the damp air. Between the sounds, there is space, and and in that space, stillness. You place a hand on the window. The glass is cool. You feel the faint vibration of life behind it, a reminder that even in calm, the world keeps moving, softly, steadily. Beneath the reflection of your own face, the city lights shimmer like constellations. They are familiar, yet unreachable. Each one a story, a heartbeat, a window where someone else may be watching the rain too. You smile quietly. Somehow, this vast city feels like company. It doesn't ask for anything. It simply exists beside you, sharing the silence. You take one last look at the view, the soft geometry of rooftops, the gauze of mist wrapping the skyline, the faint pulse of life far below. Then you reach for your coat, your keys, your umbrella. When the elevator doors slide open, a warm breath of air greets you, the scent of lobby flowers and clean marble. Each floor you descend feels slower, softer, as though the city is drawing you gently into its dream. The elevator opens with a soft chime, and a wave of quiet air greets you, cool, damp, touched with the scent of rain. You step out onto the sidewalk. The canopy above the building catches droplets that tap softly before rolling down its edge. Beyond that thin shelter, the city stretches silver and dim, glimmering under streetlights blurred by drizzle. The first breath outside is fresh, alive with the mingled perfume of wet concrete, fresh paint, and roasted coffee drifting from somewhere unseen. A puddle mirrors your shoes, rippling each time a drop falls. You unfold your umbrella. The rain's percussion becomes softer now, a private drumbeat above your head. Somewhere nearby, a delivery truck hums and fades. The city is awake, but only halfway, moving in its sleep. You begin to walk, one slow step after another, letting the rhythm of your footsteps fall in time with the rain. Left, right, in, out. The sound becomes a meditation. Across the avenue, a neon sign flickers in soft pink light. It reads, Diner 24/7. Through the window, a waitress leans on the counter, watching the rain the same way you do, with quiet acceptance. Inside, the low radio plays a tune from long ago, something tender, almost forgotten. You pause for a moment, feeling the warmth that spills out each time the door opens, then move on, content just to have seen it. Farther ahead, the narrow streets of downtown turn quieter still. Old brick buildings rise on either side, their windows glowing amber. Fire escapes glisten, and droplets hang from every railing like tiny glass beads. You pass beneath one, listening to the soft rhythm of water dripping from the metal. It feels like the city's heartbeat, slow and steady. A passing couple shares a single umbrella, their laughter muffled by rain. Their footsteps fade behind you, leaving only the sound of your own, a lonely, peaceful echo. Take another gentle breath in and out. Feel how the night air cools your lungs, how the scent of the rain deepens, how each sound, a car, a drop, a breath, blends into one continuous hush. You turn down a side street, quieter still. The pavement glows, reflecting the soft amber from an old street lamp. Beneath it, a puddle quivers like molten gold. Somewhere above, a window opens. A faint note of piano drifts into the rain, the melody fragile and slow, as though someone is playing just for themselves. You stop, listening. The notes fall in rhythm with the droplets, and for a moment, you forget which is which, music or rain. The tune fades. You smile. In a city of millions, you've stumbled upon a moment made for one. Turning a corner, you find a small cafe still open. Its door is half closed, a chalkboard sign outside now blurred with water. You step inside. Warmth greets you instantly, a soft hum of espresso machines, the faint buzz of neon, the smell of dark roast and vanilla syrup. Your umbrella folds with a sigh. You shake off a few raindrops and choose a seat by the window. Outside, the rain dances under the light, each drop catching a spark before it disappears. You rest your hand around a warm cup. The heat seeps into your fingers, into your chest. The quiet feels earned, like a reward at the end of a long day. The barista moves gently, her motions slow and practiced. Steam rises, swirling like breath in winter. A soft jazz song plays, and the melody wraps around you, steady and low. You sip. The taste is rich and bitter, cut with sweetness. You watch the window fog and trace a small circle on the glass with your fingertip. Outside, the street shimmers, reflections overlapping like watercolor. The world feels far away now, slower, softer. When your cup is empty, you leave a quiet thank you on the counter. The bell above the door rings, and the city greets you again, welcoming, gentle. Its rain still falling in perfect time with your breath. When you step outside, the rain has eased into a mist. It floats in the air like breath, clinging to your coat and eyelashes. The city feels different now, lighter, emptied, as though it has exhaled and gone to sleep. You start walking again. The pavement glows with the reflections of street lamps, each one a small sun dissolving in a puddle. Your footsteps sound softer than before, muted by the dampness. Far above, clouds drift between the towers, their edges lit by the glow of the skyline. You turn west, following the faint scent of river air. It smells clean and metallic, with a trace of salt and something earthy, something older than the city itself. The streets widen here, and the hum of traffic grows faint, replaced by the low murmur of water and wind. Take another slow breath in and out. Each inhale gathers the cool night. Each exhale releases the day you've carried. Ahead, an overpass rises from the shadows. Beyond it, a pedestrian bridge arcs gracefully toward the Hudson. Its lamps burn in a line of pale gold, reflected on the wet boards beneath your feet. As you step onto the bridge, the world behind you falls away. The buildings, the noise, the weight of time. Only the river remains. You pause halfway across, resting a hand on the railing. The metal is slick and cold beneath your palm. Below, the water moves slowly, its surface broken by rain rings that widen, and disappear. The far shore glimmers with scattered lights, tiny constellations trembling on the current. For a moment, you feel suspended between sky and water, neither above nor below, just within. Somewhere far downstream, a fairy horn sounds, deep and lonely. Its echo drifts through the mist like a voice calling from another world. You close your eyes and listen. The bridge hums faintly with passing cars behind you, their sound distant, softened. Each vibration runs through the metal like a pulse through a living body. When you open your eyes again, you notice the moon. It hangs low above the skyline, wrapped in gauze-like clouds. Its light slips through the gaps, painting silver across the river's surface. The ripples catch it, scattering the glow into thousands of shifting fragments. You watch, mesmerized, as the light breaks and reforms, like thoughts dissolving into peace. On the far side of the bridge, a narrow path curves downward toward the riverbank. The slope glistens with rain, and faint lamplight marks the steps ahead. You follow slowly, your shoes brushing against fallen leaves that cling to the pavement. Each step downward feels quieter, as if you're descending into a gentler world. The air grows cooler. The city's sounds drift further away until they're just murmurs behind a veil. All that remains is the whisper of water and the rhythmic hush of wind moving along the shore. You reach the final step and pause. The river stretches before you, broad, steady, endless. Its color is neither black nor blue, but something between, like the shade of sleep itself. A single light blinks far out on the water, perhaps from a boat or buoy, and its reflection trembles like a heartbeat. You stand there, breathing, hands in your pockets, listening. Every sound seems softer here. The sigh of the river, the faint rustle of trees, the quiet hum of the bridge above. Even your own breath feels like part of the landscape. You think of the millions of stories above you, windows lit, people dreaming, the city alive in its silent way. And here, below it all, you find the stillness that holds everything together. The night feels wide and endless, but never lonely. It wraps around you like a promise. You begin to walk again, following the path that curves along the edge of the water. Drops of moisture glint on the railing, catching bits of lamplight as you pass. Somewhere ahead, you see a small bench beneath a tree, its wooden slats shining faintly from the rain. That's where we'll rest. That's where the city's heartbeat becomes your own. You reach the bench beneath the tree. Its surface is damp, cool to the touch, but the air around it feels kind, thick with the scent of rain and wood. You sit down slowly, the way you might settle into a memory. Before you, the Hudson glides past, dark, deliberate, unhurried. Each ripple carries a sliver of light from the opposite shore. They drift and stretch, then vanish back into the deep. Take a gentle breath in and out. The air tastes faintly of salt and metal and something green, like wet leaves after a storm. As you breathe, the sound of water fills the quiet spaces inside you. It moves through your thoughts the way the tide moves along stone, steady, soft, inevitable. You lean back against the bench. The wood creaks lightly, then grows still. Above, branches sway, shedding droplets that fall in slow rhythm around you. Each drop meets the ground with a whisper, a small punctuation, in the city's endless sentence. The skyline across the river gleams, Manhattan reduced to silhouettes and glimmers. Windows pulse like distant stars. Even here, where everything feels vast and endless, there's a kind of warmth, as though the lights are breathing too. You close your eyes. Behind your eyelids, the glow remains, a gentle shimmer that sways with every breath. In the distance, a train slides by, its sound low and fading, a silver thread pulling through the fabric of night. Then only the water, the wind, and the slow heartbeat of the city remain. Let yourself drift with it. There's nowhere else to be, no task waiting, no thought demanding attention. Just this moment, this perfect pause between waking and sleep. Your shoulders loosen, your breath deepens. The last of the rain has stopped. Now there's only mist, curling like smoke around the benches, blurring the edges of everything it touches. Somewhere behind you, a single streetlight flickers once, then steadies, a soft beacon guarding your quiet. You can feel the city settling too, its movement slowing, its millions of stories folding into dreams. Every window, every room, a sigh of rest. The bench beneath you grows warmer, or perhaps it's just you, softened by stillness. The hum of the river becomes your own pulse. Your mind drifts, sliding between reflections in rainlight, until the boundary between you and the city disappears. Soon you are the hush, the rhythm, the calm that lies beneath all noise. The water moves, the wind carries its whisper, and you float within it, weightless, unhurried, safe. Breathe in and out. The river breathes with you, the city breathes with you, and slowly, gently you drift into sleep. Breathe in and out. The night holds you gently now. The city has fallen silent. Its lights shimmer once, then blur into the rhythm of the river. Each sound grows softer, water, wind, your breath weaving together into one slow heartbeat. There's nothing left to do. No need to listen, no need to think. Just drift. Let the last of the rain carry you somewhere quiet, somewhere kind. The Hudson hums below, the sky exhales above, and in between you rest. Sleep comes easily here. It finds you, wraps around you, and everything fades into calm.